Ora, 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 ora. So, okay, there's multiple elements to an RR, guys, all right? So here's how you're doing an RR. The first element, breathiness, okay? So you want to make sure there's an appropriate amount of breathiness in it. Because if you're doing something that's deep and sultry, you gotta add a little more breathiness to your voice. It can't be too breathy, but and you also don't want to like be too reluctant with it. It has to be like a just right amount. You got that, chat? So you gotta have the just right amount of breathiness to your voice. All right. The next element is a deeper tone. So you want to go deeper. You want to have a deeper tone that's more sonorous and more sultry. If I could make a metaphor, it's like you're letting your voice hang low. You're
Yeah.
letting it hang low. It's like, think about your voice. You got your voice in a high pitch right now, and it's really high up. Think it's kind of like taking your voice and putting it down into a hammock, and
Hmm.
it's just sort of relaxing and sitting there, and just swinging back and forth, nice and relaxed. You want to have that deeper tone, and just kind of let your voice hang, and then phrasing is the third element. So how you phrase your RRs, and that is exactly what Maple mentioned. How you phrase your RRs, because you don't want it to actually be ara ara, or have it be like ara ara. You don't want to roll your R's. You don't even want to pronounce the R. The R doesn't get pronounced at all in an ara ara. Funnily enough, the R doesn't get pronounced at all. So what you want to do is pronounce the Japanese pronunciation of it, which is ada ada. So that's like, think ADA ADA, not
Yeah.
ARA, if that makes sense.
Hmm.
So it's like ada ada. So you got ada ada. So then you add the breathiness, and it's like ada ada, and you add the deeper tone as the third element to complete it and tie it all in together, and then you get a ara ara. There you go. Does that make sense, chat?